your head.
Okay.
There is a bird on your head. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Birds are fine, silly elephant. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh, great. Bringing more birds. Now there are 2 birds on your head. What are 2 birds doing on my head?
I thought you were going to make a sound.
Beak. I said beak. 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 The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Beak. Lovebirds. Beak, beak, beak. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Question mark. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. Beak, 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 beak. Beak, 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 beak. And 2 birds. And a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them then? Somewhere else. Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Ask. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Peep. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
That was funny. It went to his head.
Piggy's head.
Yes.
Done for.